Hello friends, welcome to English Finders. I have a question for you. Are you enjoying our videos? Let us know in the comments section. Today we're going to discuss the 8 easy steps to improve our writing skills in English. So without wasting time, let us see those steps to get the proficiency in writing skills. 1. Emphasize reading skills. If you want to improve your writing capability, you should emphasize reading comprehensive articles or texts. Not only that, you should improve your reading proficiency too. Whenever you read an article or text, you will find many new ideas about the topic. However, you may execute those ideas in your writing as a supplementary. You can follow individual writing pattern, which makes you a good and unique writer. 2. Reading books. Do you love to read books? If the answer is negative, then please start reading books immediately. You should read books by different writers that help you to be a good writer too. Let us see how to read books in proper ways. Select a genre you interest for. Make a proper routine. Convert reading books as a habit. Utilize your leisure to reading. Choose some particular writers and try to resemble them. 3. Learn the language properly. Many people make the mistake that they want to be, but they do not learn the language properly. When you want to be a writer of the second or English language, you must have enough knowledge about the particular language. We have to memorize the unknown vocabulary more and more. Whenever you read an article, you may note the unknown vocabulary and try to memorize those vocabulary. You will be a good writer if you are able to acquire all the skills in English. 4. Try to use grammar accurately. We have a tendency that we want to be a good writer, but don't want to know grammar accurately. If you improve your writing skills, you should learn grammar more accurately. Without knowing the grammar rules, it may be difficult to improve writing skills. Let's focus on basic English grammar. Sometimes a little mistake changes the whole meaning of a sentence. Try to practice basic grammar rules with examples, which may help you to write every sentence more accurately. 5. Utilize your leisure time. Nowadays we waste our time without any reason. Smartphone addiction is one of the main reasons to give up writing regularly. We do not want to utilize our leisure time properly. As a result, we cannot improve our writing skills. Suppose sometimes you don't have anything to do, then you may start writing something. It can be any topic or incident. Your main purpose is to improve your writing skills. This is how you can utilize your leisure time and make yourself a good writer. 6. Improve your speaking skills. Practicing your targeted language through spoken will help you to make yourself a good writer. Many people face the problem when they learn their targeted language only because of the lacking of spoken practice. A fluent speaker always gets a lot of ideas by speaking with different speakers. Find a friend or a partner for speaking practice. Here you get 2 benefits. One is you can improve your speaking skills, and another is you can get many ideas from your friend. 7. Improve your vocabulary. It is very important for a writer to know more and more vocabulary. Many people face the same problem when they write something in English because they don't know enough vocabulary in English. You can use a dictionary. A dictionary may help you to improve your vocabulary faster. Let's make a routine only for improving vocabulary skills. Try to memorize at least 5 to 10 vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms at a day. Synonyms and antonyms will help you to improve your writing skills easily. 8. Focus on your spelling. Spelling plays a vital role to write a paragraph correctly. It is very important for a writer to spell accurately in a sentence. Wrong spelling can change the meaning of a word. For example, you intend to write night, but subconsciously you write night instead of night. The pronunciation of these words is very similar, but totally different in meaning. However, try to focus on your spelling when you wish to write something. You need to practice more and more. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, then hit a like. Share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel and turn on the bell notification to get every update from us. Thanks for watching.